Lisa, and today we're going to continue our bash scripting tutorial. So we're just going to do some more commands. So in the first tutorial, we used Atom. So we used Atom to write the code, but instead of using graphical application, instead you can use the terminal to write code. So the Linux terminal, it usually uses bash, so you can do bash scripting stuff with it. So what you can do is write nano, then the file name. Actually, before that, I'm going to say touch. Touch is a bash command which is used to create a new file. I'm going to say touch file.sh. Now if I list, I'm going to see file.sh. Now we write clear. I'm going to write nano. It's going to be our text editor. I'm going to write sudo nano, and I'm going to say, after the name of the file, that's called file.sh. We have to enter in our password. So now it shows this text editor. So I'm going to just write bin/bash. So if I say something like echo and write some text, and press Ctrl S to save it, and you can also press Ctrl X to exit out of it. So to run it, you're going to write bash file.sh. So there's also another way to run bash files. You need to write // and then the name of the file, so I'm going to say file.sh. Sounds just like a word. Usually it's going to show an error that permission denied. So if you want to fix that error, go to your files. Go to the file.sh, right click on it, go to properties, then go to permissions, and then click on allow executing file as program. So that's another way to run it. I'm going to go back. I'm going to back to editing the file. So this is just a simple bash script. So there's something called WC, which means word counts. So I'm just remove this. So I'm going to say WC, and I'm going to run it. And say /file.sh. Doesn't do anything. Doesn't need to add an input to the word count. So if you say, I'm gonna go back into that place. I'm going to put this. I'm going to write some text. And I'm going to exit and run it. So it says command is not found because it has to be a command. So the command I can do is act list. No, not this. So let's say DNF list. So what it does is list all the applications that you have. So you just have to wait until it finishes. So instead of using the string, I'm just going to use ls. The ls function which lists all the files in the folder. So now I have this ls. Here's wc, and I want to say chars. So change characters. So let me save it and exit. Then run file.sh. It says that. So if you want to see different functions you can do with word count, you have to write wc help. I'll choose all of these. So I can say W instead. So it's going to list all the words. So first ls. So there's 13. So there's 13 of these. So that's how the word count function works. Yeah, and another command is the sudo command. Well, we're going to get into that in a later tutorial. So next one is uname. So it says Linux because I'm using Linux. I'm going to say uname help. And stuff you can do. Let's say uname A. It shows all the details. It says Linux and bunch of details. So if you want to print one of these, just write this. This is one of these. So if I write uname O, what's that? Write uname N, just that. So wait. That's the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.